Up to now, we have used all these commands up to the sketch instance, and remaining commands are the rotate model and primary dimensions and name selection. So first I will tell you about the rotate model, and we need this command because once we are making geometry, so might be where that we have not created geometry on the axis where we need to have the flow that direction. So for that case, we have to rotate model, and also we have the move command. Move command means that we can move the geometry in the some fixed direction, in the x direction. So this move command will be used to move geometry in the linear dimensions. And let me use that command, which is the rotate command. And we have the different commands like the move, translate, rotate, mirror, scale. So move command can be used for the multiple purposes, and translate means it will move the geometry in the some well-defined x-axis, y-axis, or z-axis linearly. Rotate means will be moved by the some angle. Mirror means that we can have its shadow on the some common plane, and scale means that we can make the geometry bigger or smaller. So we use right now this rotate command, and what I want here is that although I will not be doing that thing in the subsequent steps, but I'm just showing you that I want to make the flow direction along the x-axis, along the positive x-axis. This is my inlet face here, this one. If I choose the geometry here, this one, and what I want that this should be aligned with the x-axis. And therefore I will use the all bodies, select all, and the axis would be along which I want to move the geometry is along the y-axis, and the y-axis is normal to the z-x plane. So I will use the z-x plane, and this will automatically define my axis, which is along the y-axis. Apply, and the angle I'm going to use is 90 degrees. You can either give the minus 90 degrees, so this will move the geometry on the other side, or if you keep the plus angle like this, then from the plane normal you can use this arrow and make the arrow upward. This will move the geometry on the other side, and it is moving based on the right hand rule. So that's why if we use the second arrow, which is downward, so this is the downward, just point the thumb on the downward direction, you will see that this should move on the other side. And so just make it on the other side and click on generate. So in this way we are able to provide the velocity along the x-axis, but we don't want this thing, so I can either suppress this command. Suppress means this command will be remain there, but this will not have any effect on the geometry in the display window. And when you export geometry into second module or the next module, this will not have any effect on that thing also. But if you delete this thing, this will be deleted forever from this tree outline, and you cannot make this command work again. So suppress means that this command will be there without no effect. You right click on the suppress command and unsuppress that thing, and this will work again. But once you delete this thing, this will not be there to re-effect your model here.